Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How to make my winter's green leaves Missi Parantha like roti, diabetic friendly and antioxidants loaded, which can be had at breakfast or at main course. Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. May Shri Ganeshi bless us all. Now for a walk into my kitchen gardens for some fresh leaves. And remember, these leaves are optional. You can add all or anyone or any other or none at all. To start with, fenugreek leaves. In the original recipe of Missi Roti or Parantha, remember no leaves are ever used. A few radish leaves. Remember the smaller ones, not very big ones. Remember to take smaller ones. And a few cilantro or parsley leaves. Again, these smaller ones, not very big ones. And a few spinach leaves. Again, baby spinach leaves, not the bigger ones again. And remember, they are all optional or none. And a couple of green chilies. This is a must. Ginger stick, 1 inch, a must. Chop and add to a blender and blend into a grainy paste. And this is what the paste should look like. Now, wheat flour 200 grams. This is 2/3 of the total flour mix because there is another flour that we will be using. Now chop and add the green vegetable leaves, and once done, now add the ginger and green chili paste that we had made. When added, now the second flour, that is the ground flour, 100 grams. Himalayan or any natural salt that you have. Pre-melted desi ghee. Remember, paranthas are best made in desi ghee. Garam, 2 teaspoons. Very important. Don't omit this. And turmeric, again very important. Now mix well. Mix well. Now add any natural water, 100 ml, and knead into a dough. This is what the dough should look like. Now set aside the dough, it will be used. And now aag around, set a fry pan, hot plate or tawa. And in the meantime, uncover and divide the dough and roll the dough into balls. And flatten them, but sprinkle some flour first. Now when the dough balls are flattened, smear desi ghee onto the fry pan or tawa or hot plate. Place the flattened Missi Roti to be cooked. Drizzle, smear, coat the Missi Roti with desi ghee. Remember, paranthas are best made with desi ghee. Once done, flip the Missi Roti for the other side to become firm too. Now again, drizzle, smear and coat the Missi Roti with desi ghee. Remember, Punjabi paranthas are best made with desi ghee, so that's the best medium also. Now flip the Missi Roti, and when both sides become firm and the roti becomes crisp and is well cooked, and continue to do this till the time the Missi Roti is done really well crisp. It's time to serve. This is what it should look like. It's time to serve. Now serve with any sauce, dip, pickle, butter, tea, curd, raita, lentil, pulses, gram, veg or non-veg salad, gravy, masala, curry or anything of your choice. And don't forget the hot cup of tea. And remember, as this paratha like roti is so tasty that one is never enough. Remember to serve more than one to all your friends and your enemies too. And never forget your enemies. As I always say, enjoy with all.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.